Welcome back to Speed Zone. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Tata Avinya X. Tata has been making big waves in the EV segment, and this futuristic machine is a perfect example of where things are headed. A bold design, cutting-edge technology, and an electric powertrain that promises both efficiency and performance. Let's take a deep dive into this beauty. Right off the bat, the Avinya X looks nothing like what we've seen before from Tata. The front fascia is sharp and aggressive, with a full-width LED light bar that seamlessly blends into the sleek, aerodynamic bodywork. There's no traditional grille here, just a smooth, minimalist surface that enhances airflow. The Tata logo is illuminated, adding a premium touch. The headlights are ultra-slim, extending into the fenders, giving the car a futuristic, concept-like feel. Move to the side, and you'll notice how dynamic the design is. The Avinya X sits low and wide, with a flowing silhouette that screams performance. The massive wheels feature an aero-efficient design, reducing drag while adding to the aggressive stance. The frameless doors and flush door handles maintain the sleek profile, while the blacked-out roof gives it a floating effect. Even the ORVMs are replaced with cameras, improving aerodynamics and offering a high-tech driving experience. At the rear, Tata has taken a very modern approach. A full-width LED taillight gives the Avinya X a distinctive identity at night, and the fastback-style tailgate adds to the sporty character. The lower bumper gets sharp diffusers, further reinforcing its EV performance ambitions. Everything about this design is about efficiency, aerodynamics, and futuristic appeal. But looks are just one part of the story. Let's talk performance. The Avinya X is built on Tata's Gen 3 EV platform, which means it benefits from ultra-fast charging, a long-range battery pack, and an advanced all-wheel drive setup. The dual-motor system delivers instant torque, pushing this electric beast from 0 to 100 km/h in around 4.5 seconds, seriously quick for an EV in this category. The battery range is expected to be over 500 kilometers, making it not just a performance machine but also a practical one. And thanks to Tata's next-gen battery cooling system, efficiency is maximized, even under high-performance driving. Inside, Tata has gone all out with a minimal yet luxurious approach. The dashboard is sleek, with a massive curved infotainment display integrated seamlessly. The yoke-style steering wheel adds to the futuristic vibe, while sustainable materials give the cabin an eco-friendly touch. The seats are ultra-comfortable, with premium upholstery and a lounge-like feel. Tata's AI-powered voice assistant and immersive 360-degree sound system make sure tech lovers are in for a treat. That's a wrap on our first look at the 2025 Tata Avinya X. Futuristic design, blistering performance, and next-gen tech, Tata is making a bold statement in the EV space. What do you think of this electric beast? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speed Zone for more exciting automotive content.